Hi guys, in this part we are going to see data types in Python. So in programming, data type is an important concept and variable can store data of different types and different types can do different things. So in Python we have for text type we have a string and for numeric types we have that int, float and complex, and for sequence types we have list, tuple, range, and also for mapping type we have dict and Boolean type bool, and for NoneType we have NoneType. Now look at some examples. So these are some examples of common data types. So first comes the string, and you can assign a string to a variable with in double quotes or single quotes, and after that is an integer. You can assign a number to a variable and the float with the point value and the complex, which include a number and a alphanumeric character, and a list. You type assign a list in a rectangular brackets and with a commas if they are string, and also you can add numbers there if you want. It will also be a list. And in tuple is in parentheses round brackets, and again the same as list. And the range, you can use a range function to get a specific range of numbers, and a dictionary where you assign a key and value. Like here we have a name and we have a string John there, and age, and we have a number 36. So this will be in curly braces, our dictionary. And the next is our boolean. This will be true or false, right? Either our value is true or our value is false. This is a boolean type, and none where you assign nothing to a variable.